Is your Thrustmaster Ferrari 458 Spider racing wheel just sitting there, mocking you because you can't get it to work with your PC? Don't worry, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to connect and configure your Thrustmaster Ferrari 458 Spider racing wheel to your PC, step by simple step. First, locate the USB cable attached to your wheel. Plug this cable into a USB port on your computer. Make sure it's directly connected to your PC. Avoid using USB hubs if possible for better performance. Now, you'll need the drivers. Go to the Thrustmaster support website. You can easily find this by searching Thrustmaster support on Google. Navigate to the drivers section. Find the Ferrari 458 Spider racing wheel drivers for PC. Download the latest version compatible with your operating system. Once the download is complete, run the installer and follow the on-screen instructions. Make sure you accept any prompts that appear during the installation. After the installation, go to your Windows search bar and type in Game Controllers. Select Setup USB Game Controllers. You should see your Thrustmaster Ferrari 458 Spider racing wheel listed. Select the wheel and click Properties. This will open the wheel's control panel, where you can test the buttons, pedals, and steering, and also calibrate the wheel. Finally, launch your favorite racing game. Go to the Game Settings menu and select the Thrustmaster Ferrari 458 Spider racing wheel as your input device. You might need to configure the button mappings to your liking. And that's it. You are now ready to enjoy your racing games with your Thrustmaster Ferrari 458 Spider racing wheel. Enjoy the ride.